Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your Binance to Lite from Pro version. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Binance from Pro to Lite, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. And if it is into the Pro mode, you will see something like this into the home page. Now just simply tap into this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there and it will lead you to this page. Now into this section, you will get to see this option of Binance Lite at the very bottom. You just simply have to tap into that Binance Lite option and then it will show welcome to Lite and it will open this page for you where the things and services are very easy to access and simple. You can choose anything very easily into Lite mode. This way, you can change your Binance to Lite from Pro in just one tap. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.